is when you claim I am yours. When he decides to let you go, then you say I am the one you love. If this is love and how it goes, how can my heart come love you? No matter where, deep in my heart, you are the one I love. When you have no one left around, that is when you say I'm your spouse, your love. When you don't have anyone beside you, that is when you say you are mine. If this is love and how it goes, how can my heart come love you? When will it be that your heart will come love me only? When there is no one close to you, that is when you claim I am yours. When he decides to let you go, then you say I am the one you love. If this is love